Alright, let's try it.
Try it! How you buddy my channel?
Emma, what we doing today?
Spicy
jalapeno ranch popcorn taste test.
Yeah. Come.
Hi guys, welcome back to
All in the TV.
If you're new to All in the TV, welcome. Please like, share, comment, and
subscribe.
Guys, don't forget to hit the bell so you can get all the
notification follow and the video.
So today, Emma and I will be trying these Smartfood popcorn spicy jalapeno ranch. Think that's gonna taste good, Emma?
Yeah.
Alright, let's try it.
Try it! Try it!
But you always smell it, so I get to smell first. Hey. So guys, this is how it looks.
This is how it walk.
Emma, this is how it looks. Oh, this looks like it's gonna be spicy. Look at the green. You ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
It's just spicy.
You could definitely taste the ranch. It's good. I don't know, it's not spicy. Maybe if I keep eating, it might get spicy. Emma, it's hot?
It's kind of. Yeah, it's hot. Yeah, it's hot.
It's getting hot. But you could taste the ranch.
Have me some water.
So it's a little spicy. You can taste the ranch, and you could taste like it had blue cheese in it. I don't like the blue cheese part. It tastes nasty. Emma, you like it?
No, it's spicy.
Emma says spicy. It's a little spicy. So it's 100% whole grain, no artificial flavors or colors. So that's good. And it smells like olive oil popcorn to me. What it smell like to you, Emma?
It smells like it.
Smell like what?
It smells like it. It smells like popcorn.
It smells like popcorn. So would you give these thumbs up or thumbs down?
A thumbs down.
I'm gonna give it a thumbs up.
No, you give it a thumbs down.
Sorry, Emma. Sorry guys, I'm gonna give it a thumbs down. For me, I'm not sure. I'm probably... I just don't like the blue cheese. The blue cheese part. The ranch and the spiciness ain't bad, but as you keep eating it, you could taste blue cheese. I don't like that, so I think I give it a thumbs down too.
A thumbs down. We give it a thumbs down.
Yes, a thumbs down, right? I agree. Yeah. Guys, comment down below and let us know if you tried these popcorn. And if you did, comment down below and let us know if you like it or if you don't like it. Also, comment down below and let us know what video you would like to see Emma do next, right?
Yeah!
She's like, yeah. Ready to say bye-bye?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hope you like this video. Give a big thumbs up and subscribe by me.
Guys, don't forget to follow Emma on
Twitter, Instagram,
and
Facebook.
Yes. Facebook or Facebook?
Face.
Okay. Bye guys. Catch you in the next video. We love you and we